anybody who stays in a relationship with somebody who's harshly critical and judgmental is risking their health and their sanity. There is no benefit in staying. I don't care if he or she is worth $100 million, because the cost to your lifespan is profound, and the cost to your children is profound. And every time I've spoken to somebody who's still in one of those relationships and hires me to teach them how to get out peacefully, they've always acknowledged that they've got PTSD. Because you can't live with somebody who's harsh and critical, and you never know when they're going to explode, without getting PTSD. And I tell you this from my own personal experience, as I, sit here full of adrenal supplements so I can, feel good. It's a terrible, terrible price that you pay. So please don't do it.